Times now also spoke with Lord Ram's designer viewers, Manish Tripathi, who prepared the idol's clothes, and how he tells you that this will be a special outfit that has been designed for today, which also has gold and silver embroidery. Take a look.
I would introduce myself as, probably the designer for Prabhu Shri Ram, I can proudly say, and at the same time humbled by the opportunity given and the blessing which I received from the trust. And, the way, I would say it's totally surreal for me, beyond my, imagination. Every designer dreams to design for celebrities, design for personalities, and that's where you find your accreditation. That's where you find your, probably a testimony for yourself. That somebody has said, "Oh, you are a designer for that particular personality." But now, ever since the Pran Pratishtha, being known and being as in probably named as God's designer, Prabhu Shri Ram's designer, so I feel truly blessed because now I can proudly say I'm designing for God. So with all, I would say humbleness, with all, like I would say, I don't know, I don't have words, but the way Ram Mandir Tirth Kshetra Trust sort of showed their trust in me that I could do this, and Honorable Charanpat Ji, the way he trusted me to design Prabhu's Poshak was really, I don't know, I don't have words to thank him. And above all, Prabhu Shri Ram's blessing that he trusted and he chose to, to dress for him, to design for him. And I would say, again, I keep on repeating this, the same thing, because I would say I didn't design it, I didn't do it. It's just that God made me do that. So, अपने आप मन में विचार आना, अपने आप, on my own, ख्याल आते रहना, और with each day, with every day, while we design for Prabhu Shri Ram, that that chintan which is there in my mind, every day कि भगवान को कल क्या पहनना है, परसों क्या पहना हूँ, so वो अपने आप में अलग तरीके की पूजा तपस्या है.
Arun Yogiraj, who made the idol of Ram Lala, has also reached Ayodhya with his family to witness the Divya Surya Abhishek. Take a look.
पहली बार हमने प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद अयोध्या आया है. इस बार मैं पूरा फैमिली को लेकर आ चुका हूँ, और कल रात हमने पहला दर्शन करके आया था, और मेरा माता, मेरा वाइफ, बच्चे सब खुशी हो गए, क्योंकि ये सब पहली बार देख रहा था. और हम लोग बहुत मेरा फादर को मिस कर रहा था. उस वक्त हमने दर्शन करवा रहा था, क्योंकि प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद हम मिल नहीं पा रहे थे, जा नहीं पा रहे थे अंदर, क्योंकि बहुत भीड़ थे. कल मेरा फैमिली को दिखाया, बहुत मेरा माँ शी इज़ वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज मैंने काम किया है. और कल हम लोग पहली बार ये प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद रामनवमी मनाया जा रहा है. हमको बुलाए गए थे ये देखने के लिए, और हमारा सौभाग्य है. सिर्फ हमको इंतज़ार है कल कैसा रहेगा. और आज भी एक सरयू नदी के पास फैमिली के साथ आए थे, और सिर्फ यही मानता हूँ, यही दुआ करता हूँ सब पूरा देश को राम का आशीर्वाद मिले, और देश राम राज जल्दी जल्दी बने.